Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete bookmarks on Google Chrome. So you have two ways about doing this. One is doing it for singular pages or singular links, and then you have the option to have control over all of your bookmarks. So we're going to go through both. First one is how to delete a bookmark page while you're on it. So as you can see, I have a YouTube bookmark as an example. How do I know that? Do you see a little star there? Usually when you go on a website that's not bookmarked, that is not great. So this is how, if I want to remove YouTube in my bookmarks, I simply just press remove. And as you can see, that's how it looks if your site is not bookmarked. If I want to bookmark YouTube again, I click on it and then done. Now as you can see, it starts blue. So the first one is you go on the bookmark site and then you click remove. This is removing it directly from the site that you've bookmarked and you're currently browsing it. The second option is you click right here . You click right here and then you go on Bookmark Manager, right? And from here you can see all the links that I've bookmarked. I've bookmarked a couple of basic ones as an example, but you don't need to browse the websites. You could just delete them from here. So take a look. I want to remove Google Maps from my bookmark. I simply delete. It is not in my bookmarks anymore. Let's also check it from the tab. Yeah, it's not here anymore. You see? No more of that anymore. Let's try it with Cloud. I'm going to delete Cloud. Yep, as you can see from also here, Cloud is also gone. And that is how you delete a bookmark on Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. If you found the video useful, like it and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comment section, and you can also check out these videos that you might find equally useful. I will see you later. Bye bye.